Hey guys, my name is Sahil and in this video I am going to talk about what is hydrogen rich water and why you should drink it. Hydrogen rich water is a water that has dissolved hydrogen molecules. Hydrogen molecules, when separated from H2O, act as smart antioxidants. They help reduce oxidative stress by neutralizing the needed free radicals. Free radicals are the cells that have lost one or more of the electron bonds. These cells, when in excess, harms the body in a ways like lower immunity, aging on skin, affecting lipids, proteins, DNA, and triggering a lot of common human diseases. Access to free radicals is very common in today's lifestyle, with the increasing amount of stress, pollution, bad eating habits, and more. These are the causes of the overproduction of free radicals. Hydrogen molecules provide the needed electrons to get the cells activated again, just like how any other antioxidant works. Free radicals are needed by the body at a certain amount. Hydrogen molecules are very smart and only neutralizes the needed free radicals. Excess of hydrogen rich water cannot harm the human body, unlike other antioxidants. These cells are now active and start with normal functioning. Hydrogen molecule also reduces inflammation in the body. Inflammation and oxidative stress are the root causes of every disease and pathology. Hydrogen rich water helps with the increasing immunity and overall health. All the research papers, scientific reports and human tests are uploaded on our website, which is www.bioplus.life under the knowledge water page. Explore the BioPlus hydrogen rich water producing range of products and include them in your daily lifestyle. Ensures you live a healthy lifestyle and make sure your body functions and supports you at your best. Now that's all for this today's video. Thank you so much for watching.